Hi everyone, it's Josh from Miles Away here. Today's video is all about my Model Railway collection series, and today's one is of Cavalex Models, which I only got a loco and 2 wagons at the moment, but there is one coming in Q2 of this year. Not sure when, but I will let you know on the community tab when it does come. But the first model I'm going to be showing you is the recently acquired from Wales of Sheffield, the 56, which I've got in DC Rail livery, the grey one, 56091, and I did do the review of it quite recently, and it is a great model. It is, as I've done a short of it running on the Rolling Road, and also did a review of it last month, and I got to say it's one of my favourite locos I own so far from Cavalex, which I'm hoping to get more in the future. As I said, this is the only loco I've got, so the next 2 are wagons. They don't do coaches at the moment, so I'll see you with the 2 wagons I've got, plus the order I got, which will be coming in Q2, so see you in a bit. Now, these are the only 2 wagons I've got in the Cavalex models so far, but there will be one coming very soon in Q2, which I'll tell you in a bit. But the ones I've got are the BLA, which I bought from KMS Railtech in EWS livery, which I think I did the review of that in 2022, I think it was, or something like that. So that's going to be a very long time. I think it was, I done it around about this time 2 years ago, but in January. And also the other wagon I've got is this one, the TEA tanker, which is very squeaky. It is, because I heard it going around my friend's garden railway, and I was like, what's that noise? But it was the TEA tanker squeaking away. So these are the only 2 wagons I've got at the moment, but I will have a JXA bogie scrap wagon, which I ordered from Wales of Sheffield, which I can't wait for that one, because that particular one used to go to Exeter Riverside, which I couldn't refuse getting it, because it is a great, it does look good, it does. And I'm going to say this now, I reckon there will be more Cavalex models for me to get in the future, whether if it's wagons, locos, you name it. So I'm going to leave the video there about my Model Railway collection video about Cavalex models, which I love Cavalex, as well as a Curasco, which I did 2 months ago in January. So that's that. And the next my model Wara collection video is going to be Dapol. So that will be April's my model Wara collection series video. So keep an eye out for that one next month, and also keep an eye out on the community tab for like when I get new models and all that. So keep an eye out for when I'll be doing reviews as well. So if you are new around here, smash that subscribe button down below and click the bell for all notifications, everyone, and also like this video and share this video so everyone will know that I have uploaded my videos. And I get to see you all in the next video. See you, everyone. Bye.